graphics background.
Okay.
And we're waiting on House Counsel to return. Mr. Dotson, please turn on your video. Thank you. 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, walking around, driving a car. When your name is called, please unmute your devices if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Melissa Rassi, ticket number P1337601, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, expired plates. Good morning, please take your names for the record, starting with Officer Bennett.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Good morning, did you say your name, Officer Bennett?
Oh, yes, Your Honor. Daryl Bennett, badge 4320, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you, Corporal. Ms. Robinson.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson or Ms. Rossi. Ms. Rossi, please state your name.
Melissa Rassi.
Matter is set for trial. Ms. Robinson, how does your client wish to proceed?
Judge, on the docket that I have, there are 2 misdemeanors. While in conference with Ms. Rossi, I was able to review her document. She is in compliance. As the misdemeanors, I would move to dismiss.
You stipulate the probable cause?
Yes, Judge.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. Ms. Rassi, you are all set, ma'am. Good luck to you, and thank you, Corporal Bennett.
All right, thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too, thank you. This is the People versus Catherine Ricker, ticket number U19087214, count 1, enter or remain on private property when closed. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Robinson.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Ms. Catherine Ricker. Ma'am, please state your name.
Catherine Ricker.
And Judge, Ms. Ricker would like a bench trial.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Ricker. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do, yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right for a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes, ma'am.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial for November 10th at 9 o'clock. Did you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you're all set, ma'am. Good luck.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. This is the People versus Seneca Daniels Jr., ticket number P1286785, count 1. This is fail to stop. I'm sorry, count 1, stop street or intersection, fail to stop. Count 2, no proof of insurance, and count 3, drive and register or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Robinson.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Daniels. Sir, please state your name.
Hi, this is Seneca Daniels.
And Judge, there's a motion to dismiss. Today is the formal hearing / trial. The officer is in the building. He's in a bench trial before Judge Ford. He zoomed in and indicated that he wanted to dismiss the matters.
All right, with this, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Daniels.
All right, thank you. I can leave.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. This is the People versus DeLong Davis, ticket number P1273377, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Robinson.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. DeLong Davis. Sir, please state your name.
DeLong Davis.
And Judge, Mr. Davis has one count of no insurance. I did review his document. He is in compliance. I would move to dismiss the matter.
Do you stipulate the proper cause?
Yes, Judge.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Davis, you are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. This is the People versus Latricia Ruffin, ticket number SP 9847779, count 1, drove while unlicensed. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Robinson.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson. On behalf of Ms. Latricia Ruffin, ma'am, please state your name.
Unmute your device, Ms. Ruffin. Unmute your device.
Bottom left-hand corner, Ms. Ruffin. Tap the screen and look on the bottom left-hand corner. Next to the video. All right, while you're working on that, we'll call something else. Keep working on it. This is the People versus Billy Dotson. Ticket number P1347481, count 1, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle, count 2, drove while licensed, not valid or improper license, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Robinson.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Billy Dotson. Sir, please state your name. And Judge, as to Mr. Dotson, I reviewed the documents as to his driver's license. I reviewed a temporary driver's license. The actual card has not come in the mail yet, according to him.
You saw the temporary driver's license?
I did.
It wasn't, when it was valid. and everything?
Yes,
And then you saw the registration and insurance?
yes, I did.
With that, you stipulate the proper cause?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Johnson. Good luck to you, sir.
And Judge, as to Miss Latricia Ruffin, I did not see her actual driver's license. I don't know if the court would like to run her license to verify.
I just received my license. They haven't came in the mail.
Yeah, we'll run it.
Okay.
We'll run it. Mr. Villarreal, are you ready? Good morning.
Your Honor, I'm ready. I've had discussions with with the Corporation Counsel. I believe she's going to stop by and drop off a document.
Okay.
The interpreter is ready, and my client is ready somewhere there. I don't know where they put him.
No, I'll have
He's
to,
in a breakout room.
I'll bring him out.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
Judge, she passed the test.
Miss Ruffin, you making too much noise. We're in session.
All right, you know what, I think I'd rather wait for Ms. Horn to break down the the plea form, so we'll recall this, but we can do Ms. Ruffin. This is the people versus Latricia Ruffin, ticket number ST 9847791, count one, robot unlicensed. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Ms. Robinson.
Daryl Robinson for Ms. Ruffin.
Say your name, Ms. Ruffin.
Latricia Ruffin.
The court has had an opportunity to pull Ms. Ruffin's Secretary of State record, and her license is in fact valid. With that, Ms. Robinson, you stipulate the probable cause.
Yes.
So this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Ruffin. Good luck to
Thank you.
you. Welcome.
And excuse me, Judge, what time do you call no officers?
10.
Okay, thank you.
Hang up now.
Okay. ¿Es necesario estar en la corte? Ya no.
Hopefully, Ms. Warren should be here.
Dame.
shortly.
Y ya estoy en la corte.
I don't see her online anymore, so she should be here in the next few minutes. Oh, I see her. What is the offer, Mr. Villaroo?
Your Honor, the offer is to plead to failure to vaccinate on docket number V as in Victor 121-41121. And if the court accepts that admission or plea to it, the recommending dismissal of the other two citations and dismissal of this case upon payment of whatever reasonable fees and costs.
Okay, it's a lot, so I'm gonna have to just wait for, I'll have to wait for that plea form.
That's fine. That's fine. Thank you for asking.
Yeah, sure, thank you. Are you ready on anything else, Ms. Robinson?
There might be one person, but not really, maybe one. I'm gonna double check. I just need offers.